This is AKASHVANI, Shillong. The Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. Union Minister for Rural Development and Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare Shivraj Singh Chauhan said the Prime Minister Narendra Modi will transfer around 20,000 crore rupees in 9 crore 3 lakh farmers' accounts on 18th June in Varanasi under the PM Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme. Briefing the media in New Delhi, Mr. Chauhan said that 3 lakh crore rupees have been transferred in 11 crore farmers' accounts so far in the last 10 years. Mr. Chauhan said that he has written letters to all chief ministers to join the Prime Minister's event on the 18th of June. He highlighted that after assuming charge as Rural Development and Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare Minister, he has discussed with officials of the ministry and is working on every important issue related to the welfare of farmers. Higher education institutions will be required to provide a full refund of fees for all cancellations or migrations up to 30th September this year. The University Grants Commission has announced this in the new fee refund policy for the 2024-25 academic session. This has been done to address complaints from students and parents regarding non-refund of fees upon cancellation or withdrawal of admissions. This policy applies to all HEIs under the Central or State Acts, UGC-recognized institutions, deemed universities, and organizations involved in admissions counseling. The Higher Education Regulatory Body also said that after 30th September and until 31st October this year, a refund can be issued with a deduction of no more than 1,000 rupees as a processing fee. It added that for admission schedules extending beyond 31st October, the provisions from the UGC notification of October 2018 will apply. Institutions violating this policy will face punitive actions as specified in the 2018 notification. The Sikkim government has sought assistance from the Indian Air Force to airlift approximately 1,400 tourists who are stranded in North Sikkim due to devastating landslides triggered by heavy rainfall. Torrential rains have wreaked havoc in Sikkim, causing extensive damage that includes the washing away of roads and bridges, thus stranding tourists in various locations. Sikkim government has reached out to the IAF requesting immediate deployment of helicopters and other essential resources to conduct rescue operations and evacuate the stranded tourists. Sikkim Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamangole visited Majua village in Yangang in South Sikkim following a devastating flash flood that claimed 3 lives and damaged over 10 houses in the area. During his visit, Sikkim Chief Minister P.S. Tamangole met the affected families and also assured them of the government's assistance and rehabilitation support. He reiterated the administration's dedication to providing comprehensive aid to help the villagers recover and rebuild. In a bid to improve healthcare access for tea garden workers, the Labour Welfare Department of Assam and the Hans Foundation have joined hands. A memorandum of understanding was signed on 14th June to launch the Hans Mobile Medical Unit project. The collaboration targets to provide healthcare to 120 of the most vulnerable tea gardens in Tinsukia and Dibrugarh districts. The project aims to bridge the healthcare gap for tea garden communities by deploying 24 mobile medical vans equipped with medical professionals. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma yesterday held a meeting at Kaziranga with Civil and Political Administration and Kaziranga National Park Authority to ensure safety and security of the animals at the park, particularly during the flood season. The Chief Minister, Mr. Sarma, said that 3 new commando battalions have been deployed in Kaziranga to ensure the safety of the wild animals. He also said that around 600 personnel of a new forest battalion will also be pressed into service in Kaziranga National Park during the flood season. The Chief Minister during the meeting also took stock of the loss of land of the Kaziranga National Park, primarily due to floods and related causes. And in Meghalaya, Bethany Hospital Outreach Nongpo marked World Blood Donors Day yesterday with a special event held at the hospital premises. The event saw participation from donors, nurses, staff and patients, all coming together for an awareness program. This year's theme, 20 Years of Celebrating Giving, Thank You Blood Donors, highlights the significant contribution of blood donors and the advancements in the healthcare system over the past 2 decades. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.